fellas, this is how we're gonna start the day. Okay? Even though, well, shit. Even though I wear glasses, you know, got a little thing back in the back because he wants to see my face. So y'all might not like this, but I got this thing. It's called a yeah, it's called a lawnmower. See, this right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That right there's what I'm working with right now. Okay. As you can see, really ain't getting nothing to put in there. But you open the hood. This is what we got going on right here. Okay, that's what we got going on. And then, well, shit. Let me go get the cheese. Got the keys. Let's go. So here we're gonna climb up on this piece. I don't know if you can see me. Can you see me? You can see me now, can't you? Can you see me? Hmm? So here's what we're gonna do. Ignore my flash drive. Get our key. Get in a hole. Like that. Now watch what happens when we turn it over. Okay, here. Well, let's see if you can. You see the key? I can't see. Right there. You see that? Listen, watch this. Listen. Nothing happens, right? So now, we gotta stop that problem. Here's what we're gonna do. Oh, here, I'll show you this. Just right here. You see what I'm doing? I just took this off. And then we're gonna take the casing off. Get our casing off. Here. I'm just gonna lay that on the ground. Right there. Now we're gonna undo this. Okay. Guess we're not getting that off, but here's our filter. Get this piece clean. I forgot how to do that. This right here. Okay, now you gotta listen very carefully, because here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to this four-wheeler. We're gonna go to this four-wheeler here. Okay. I'm gonna take the battery off of it. Okay. And we're gonna put it on and see how it does. Alright. So we'll get our head up under here. There's the battery. That's what we're looking at. Let's go ahead and unhook it. Yeah. Alright, now the second part's very tricky. Getting it off without breaking it. That's what we got this key for. This key not only is my lawnmower key, it's also a 4-wheel key and a screwdriver. Watch this. See that screw? Take it off, right? Well, we're gonna try to take it off without stripping it. Let's see. See, can we get in the hole? Okay, we're in the key. Key's in there. Can we turn it now? Okay. Now, can we? No, sleep. Okay, well, we can't turn it. Okay. So now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait. Did you? Well. This is the first lawnmower I've had that had sides. Here, I'll show you in a minute. So you got the hood. We got the hood up, right? Think there's anything missing? Okay, so you don't think there's anything missing? Okay. Well, as you can see up here, our grill's gone. And the reason our grill is gone is because I hit things with it, so. The grill is gone because I hit a red lawnmower. On purpose. So, that right there. I'm going to put the sides back on it here in a little while. Later on, we get it running right, we'll put our sides back on it. And the blades will not engage. No matter what you do, they will not engage. So whenever you out there got any tips on know anything about lawnmowers like I do, then let me know in the comments. And if you think it's because of the wiring, because of my wiring, it got chewed up. If you think it's because of that, then comment you got a wiring problem, or comment, you know, get like new battery, new ignition, new PTO switch. And I'll do that, but you know. But yeah, you know. If you got any tips, let me know in the comments below. If you know how to resolve my problem I got here with this lawnmower, let me know in the comments. And God forbid, if any of you want I'm just playing. I'm not giving anything away yet. But there is a giveaway coming up. Now, this is the first giveaway I've ever done. So, there's a giveaway coming up as we speak. You know, it might not be around now, but you know, it'll be there. Anyways, reckon I'll see y'all later. Let me know what's wrong with this thing in the comments below. I'll get check back to you as soon as possible. You can also check me out on Facebook. Same name as my YouTube name, so give me a big ol' like. Give me a thumbs up. Like this video and comment what you, and leave it in the comments what you dipping on, or no, leave it in the comments what you think I need to do to this lawnmower. Because I bought this thing and it don't want to start without a jump off. So, see you later.